One of President Trump's judicial nominees testifies before the Senate days after the American Bar Association slams his qualifications, giving him a rating of not qualified. White House Correspondent Mark Irons reports. Good evening, Mark.
Good evening, Lauren. The Bar Association says Steve Grasz, nominated for a seat on the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals, has a pro-life agenda and shows bias and lack of open-mindedness. He is the second judicial nominee from President Trump rated not qualified by the ABA, but Grasz assured the Senate Judiciary Committee his personal views would not affect his rulings from the bench.
The role of a judge is to apply the law fairly and impartially, regardless of any past views or opinions.
Today's hearing focused on Mr. Graz's American Bar Association review, which cites Graz's pro-life advocacy as a concern.
You are the first Circuit Court nominee since 2006 to receive a unanimous not qualified rating from the ABA.
Ms. Grasz, your extreme anti-choice positions are a matter of public record.
Attorney Matthew Clark of the American Center for Law and Justice says the ABA's ruling is an expression of their own liberal views.
They make it crystal clear what their opposition to Steve Grasz is, and it's purely based on his being pro-life. And for them, being pro-life is an ideology that they cannot tolerate on the bench.
Republican Senator Ben Sasse echoes that, saying in a statement, "It's sad that the ABA would contort their ratings process to try to tarnish Steve's professional reputation in order to drive a political agenda." Grasz, the former Deputy Attorney General of Nebraska, says when the American Bar Association interviewed him, he was grilled on his views on abortion and politics.
The interviewer repeatedly used in a negative connotation the phrase, "you people." And at one point, I stopped him and I said, "Sir, who do you mean by you people?" And he said, "Conservatives and Republicans."
The Susan B. Anthony List, a pro-life advocacy group, says they fully support Steve Graz's nomination. They point to the fact that as Nebraska's Chief Deputy Attorney General, Grasz helped defend the state's partial birth abortion ban before the U.S. Supreme Court. Lauren.
Mark, I understand the president touted his record on judicial appointments today.
That's right. This afternoon, the president said nobody is paying attention to his appointments of federal judges. He says a big percentage of the federal court system will be changed by his administration in a short period of time. He said soon 145 federal judges could be approved.
White House Correspondent Mark Irons, thank you.